Hello everyone, I wanted to go through one of my Dolly Bird books, volume 28, New Generation Dolls. This edition showcases some dolls from Japan mainly, and it's really great. I love this copy because it shows all of the measurements of each doll. It has some really helpful write-ups. Some of these show how the dolls come in a kit that you yourself have to put together. All of the intricate measurements, really fantastic photos from the front and back. These ones also show alternative body replacements you can get through the various companies. And it also includes Be My Baby Cherry and Harmonia Bloom, who was a new release doll at that time. It's quite a great copy, and it was very helpful. I myself would love to have Minty the doll in a copy like this in the future. It was very inspirational on my own doll making journey to see all of the care and attention and all of the really different body types, face types, measurements. That's what makes them beautiful. They're all similar but different as well. I hope you enjoyed that.